And there's Sugar with her 3 little pups that she just had. And we are extremely lucky we came home when we did. Because she had already had one in the backyard and had dropped another one, was in the process of having one, right at the back door. And then the third one came when we came in here. So far, everyone's good.
Mike's all, aww. I sent it to him too. She's still bleeding.
Yeah, she will. But those are the 3 pups, and I think we're going to let Mama relax. And I think the grandparents here are going to go have another cigarette.
See, 3. One of them still has a umbilical cord attached.
Well, there's a little Miss Sugar again. It's about 5 hours since she's had the pups. And right after, about half an hour after we shut the camera off last time, she surprised us with puppy number 4. And she's still a happy little cleaner. Okay. We had to take Mama out so she could go potty. And here are the little pups. Get a good size reference here. That is compared to my hand. We have 4 healthy, squealing little pups who are not happy about their mama not being right here in any way, shape, or form.
Wow, how come? What's wrong with it?
What do you mean?
It's like all dark.
It should be fine. Yeah, I got most of their heads over here.
Still on.
Let's see here. Okay, this is a little girl.
Uh-oh. We have a rolling puppy.
We have one little girl. Let me see your tail. Stop tucking your tail. 2 little girls. I'm thinking this is a little girl too. Wait. This is the one with the white crest on him.
Uh-huh.
And this is farther up, so I think this is a little boy. So I think we have 3 girls and 1 little boy. And the little boy has the white chest.
Okay, let's get them in their thing. Here.
Well, let Grandma hold him here. I'm alone, I'm alone.
Okay, you want to go get their mama?
Yeah.